The first thing you need to do is to cut the plastic handle off the container. Then you're going to flip the bucket around because we want to cut the back side of it. You're going to simply just cut one straight line down the back of the plastic bucket. Then you will begin cutting the bottom out. So just kind of follow that line that you'll see and make sure the entire bottom is completely cut out. This really should fit any lights, whether they're square, round, oval. You just have to kind of maneuver and squish it down. Now you can leave this how it is and you can kind of see that it's on an angle. You can kind of squish the bucket together and the two sides will overlap, and then just place some tape going across. So this way it will shape your light a little bit better. And that's it. So now when you turn your light on, you'll see this bright glowing orange container. It's a little hard to see in my camera, but you really can see the shape of the face very, very well.